Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show a message box asking do the user really want to exit the application when he clicks this cancel button here. So right now what happens generally is when I uh, close the application by clicking this close button, I close the form, and sometimes it may happen that user unknowingly click this button and suddenly his form is cancelled. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to show a message box asking a user really want to exit or not, and if he clicks yes on the message box, then only the application is exited. Otherwise he would stay on the application and the form will not be closed. So let me show you what it looks like when the application is complete. So first of all, what you need to do is just select your form as a whole. So select anywhere in on the form, not any control, but just select the form as a whole. Okay, so just select the form and go to the properties here, and select this event button here, this small button called event, and this will open all the events which your form can perform, right? So we are searching for the event called form closing event. So click this form closing event, and in here in this text box or box, just double click here, and once you double click on the form closing event, you will reach to this form 2 form closing event, right? And in here we are going to write a code. So first of all, just declare a variable called dialog as dialog result, and in the next line what we are going to do is it should be dialog, not dialog as, and in next line I will copy my dialog variable and I will paste it here, and I will say dialog is equal to, then write message box dot show, and in the bracket we are going to pass three arguments. First is the message you want to show on the message box, so I will write do you really want to close the app. Okay, and then second argument will be the title of your message box. So you can give your message box title as exit, for example, and the third argument is the kind of message box you want. So we want message box yes no. Okay, so just select message box yes no. So select this message box button yes no. So what this will do is it will show yes and no button on your message box. So what we have written, we have written dialog is equal to message box dot show. First argument of the message box is the message you want to show, second argument is the title of the message box, and third argument is the kind of message box button you want. Okay, now in the next line I will make a if else condition here. So I will say if your dialog, which is this variable, your dialog is equal to dialog result dot no, then, and once again we are going to make else condition. So we want if then else condition, and in this if condition what you are going to write here is just copy your e variable here, which is your system.windows.forms.form closing event argument. Okay, so just copy this e from here and paste it here in the if condition, then write dot cancel is equal to true. Okay, and if if we select message box as no, then nothing will happen, else we are going to exit the application. So just write application dot exit thread. Okay, so this is the code which will ask the user that if he really want to exit, or and if the user says yes, the application will be closed, otherwise nothing will happen, right? Let's check whether this code is working or not. So I give my username and password, and now at this position, for example, I press this cancel button, I should see my message box. So I can see my message box which shows the message, do you really want to close the app, and the title is exit, which we have given here, and it's showing yes and no button, right? And if I press no button, nothing will happen, the user will remain on the form and the form will not be closed. And if the user selects yes, then our application is closed, right? So in this way we can show the user, if he is sure that he wants to exit the application, then only the form is closed, otherwise he will stay on the form. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.